Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a few days since I've actually recorded anything. Today I'm going to try to get all of the exhaust manifold, let me rephrase that, the threaded holes on the head for the exhaust manifold. I want to try to get them chased out with the tap. Then we're gonna bolt down the exhaust manifold, maybe the turbo housing. Actually, yeah, probably will be. I'll probably go ahead and do the turbo housing. That way I can close up the exhaust side of the engine, so no rain gets in it until I can get the hood back on the truck, which I'm hoping is going to be within the next day or so. Kind of depends on the neighbors, because I gotta get their help to carry the hood back over here, at least next to the truck. And it would be helpful for them to give me a hand putting it on, because that thing was a real bear to take off. If you didn't see in part 1, yeah, I think it was part 1. If we get that done, then I'll go ahead and throw in the injectors. Well, this side will get done today. I'll probably go ahead and paint, see if I can clean and paint the injectors, because right now they're kind of bare metal, and if I leave them like that, they're just going to do nothing but rust. Then once the injectors are in, I can go ahead and put on the aftercooler. Oh yeah, and almost forgot to say that once the exhaust manifold is on, torqued down, I can also put on the bracket for holding down the coolant tank too. So there's still quite a bit I can get done without putting the head on, or the hood. It would just be nice to have the hood on soon, because I know we had a chance for rain this morning. Fortunately, we didn't get nothing. And then there's all the rest of the little itty bitty stuff. So it'll be running soon. I did go buy all the oil and all of the coolant and some of the extra little bits and pieces that I think I needed. Hopefully I didn't forget anything, because I have a real bad tendency to do that. And then probably, I'm guessing, in the next video we'll go ahead and chase down the electrical issue, unless by some miracle it's done fixed itself, which I seriously doubt it's done that. But yeah, ain't nothing to it but get to it. Alright, I only put the EGT on the 5 and 6 cylinder because those are the ones that generally heat up more than the rest. And because I've only got one. The torque for the exhaust manifold bolts was 32 foot-pounds with no torque angle. And then all you do is you just knock over the tabs for the bolts to lock in place. As you can see here, I forgot how that thing went in. I tried bolting it to the manifold first. It was actually supposed to be bolted to the head. These brackets right here hold the coolant tank up above the motor since the radiator doesn't have a fill port or upper reservoir of its own. All it has is side tanks. Well, that's interesting. Holy shit. That's why that one didn't want to go down. Let's see if I can get it close enough to the camera. It just shoved itself right into it. I didn't realize there was a valve keeper down on the bottom of it. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. If you want to check out what's actually going on current, go check out my Facebook. If you really like what I'm doing and you want to help support the channel, go check out my Patreon.